Welcome to our another tutorial on how to find nearby friends on Facebook. I'm Ayakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first off, let's go ahead and open up our Facebook application and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. And once you're logged in, what we need to do is tap on this friends option right here next to the homepage. So these are your friends suggestions. So these are basically all the people that you might know and you might be connected. But it does not technically mean that they are nearby you. They might be far away, but still you're connected. So this is one way. The other way is go to your profile page. The next thing is to tap on the marketplace option right here and update your location. Once the location has been updated, you can see all the people that are selling something nearby you. And this is the only way to know people who use Facebook nearby you. So yeah, that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.